Tire Repair Tech, ahlinya reparasi ban, berbagi wawasan di Mining Indonesia 2025. Tire Repair Tech untuk kedua kalinya ikut berpartisipasi di pameran mining terbesar se-Asia Tenggara, Mining Indonesia 2025, yang diselenggarakan di JIEXpo Kemayoran Jakarta dari tanggal 17 sampai 20 September 2025. Sebagai pemimpin dalam industri perbaikan ban, Tire Repair Tech memahami betul pentingnya ban kendaraan. Karena bagaimanapun, ban adalah satu-satunya penghubung Anda ke jalan. Memastikan kondisi optimalnya bukan hanya tentang meningkatkan performa kendaraan Anda, tetapi ini merupakan aspek penting dari keselamatan di jalan, penghematan bahan bakar, dan kesehatan kendaraan secara keseluruhan. Perlu diketahui, Tire Repair Tech merupakan perusahaan yang berasal dari Ohio, Amerika Serikat, dan berdiri pertama kali pada tahun 1939. Jadi, sudah 86 tahun berkecimpung dan fokus di dunia tire repair. Dalam rentang waktu yang cukup lama, Tire Repair Tech telah berdedikasi untuk memproduksi produk perbaikan ban dan bahan kimia berkualitas tinggi guna memperpanjang umur setiap ban, termasuk ban OTR yang dirancang untuk pekerjaan yang paling menantang di bidang konstruksi, pertambangan, dan pertanian. Penasaran untuk mengetahui lebih lanjut terkait produk perbaikan ban OTR Tire Tech dan bagaimana Tech terus memimpin dalam keunggulan perbaikan ban untuk aplikasi off the road? Kevin Chen, Southeast Asia Director Tech International, berbagi wawasan dengan Indonesia Tire Magazine yang dipandu langsung oleh Unggul Kusumanto, Indonesia and Philippines Country Manager Tech International berikut ini.
Terima kasih banyak untuk menerima Indonesia Tire Magazine untuk sesi interview.
He is asking about our team this year. What is our team in opening this booth in the mining expo?
What's the team?
Just for the repair servicing to customer.
Okay. So this year we are our second year to join the mining expo because we see some potentials in Indonesia and quite number of the Indonesia's customer they need much more value tire repair and with good quality of products.
The target with this expo, with this our target.
The target for this expo is to let customer know more about tech, the brand's awareness, because some of the customers they might not know us in Indonesia market. So we need to show the great experience on tire repair and teach the customer how.
You need to know what kind of products that we show at this moment.
Okay, so we have apprentice of the tire repair material showings on this mining expos. We have the tire patches from the PCR to the OTR, and also the chemicals for the rubber bondings, and also we have some accessories like the vulcanizing machines, the buffing tools, and so on. This is the major product that we shows in the mining expo.
What is the benefit for the customer if using tech tire repair?
Yes, but to be honest, all the patches in the markets are the same, but we as a tech have a very good experience on the manufacturing of tech. So we have, I can say that we have the good consistency to let the customer to have less troublesome after they're using our products on the tire repair.
So far, what is the feedback from the customer in Indonesia for our products?
Yeah, the feedback is quite good because we mainly focus on the SOP. We teach the customer how to repair the tires properly by using the correct patches and also the correct chemical and tools. So which makes the customers the satisfactions much more higher.
We want to know what is the difference with the temporary tire repair and the permanent tire repair.
Temporaries, I can say is the difference between the temporary and permanent. I can say is the risk. So maybe you're using the temporary repair, you might not have any problem, but there's some possibility that your tires is going to fail. But in permanent repair, I can say is the risk ratios will be drops very significantly and more safety.
What is the benefit of our after sales?
Okay, so our service, I can say, is service to the customer. So for using our product, the customer service is very important. We have the fields we visit to the customer to train the customers to solve the tire problems and teach them how to use on the tools. Because if you don't train it right, also we have some failure on the tire repair.
Is there any training facility for the customer?
Yes, we have the training facilities in some of our distributors' showrooms. We will put a full set of the tires materials, including the machines. So the customer will come to our distributors training center occasionally. I can say like 6 months one time. So we can align with the customers' workers' standards.
What is your hope for the Indonesian customer in the future?
In the future, I hope we can build more in the Indonesian markets to let educations on the tire repairs getting higher.